Welcome to the show, everybody. Today, we're going global, taking you on a trip to a land rich in culture, history, and flavor, so good it'll make your taste buds sing. Pakistan. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Pakistan? Isn't that complicated? And yeah, every country has its own thing, believe me. But today, we're here to celebrate the things that make Pakistan truly unique, the things that make it so special. We're talking about a country where ancient traditions meet modern life in a beautiful tapestry of color, sound, and spice. We're diving into the heart of Pakistan, exploring the bustling streets of Lahore, the vibrant port city of Karachi, and everything in between. So, buckle up, folks. Get ready for a wild ride as we discover 10 things that make Pakistan truly one of a kind. Trust me, by the end of this, you'll be booking your tickets faster than you can say biryani. First up, let's talk about Pakistan's cultural heritage, because this is a country with roots that run deep. I'm talking about ancient civilizations, Mughal empires, a melting pot of influences that you can feel in every corner. Think traditional music that'll move your soul, the soulful strains of the sitar, the tabla drums beating like your heart after a good workout. And don't even get me started on the dancing. From the energetic bhangra to the graceful kathak, these are traditions passed down through generations. And the best part? It's not just something you see in museums. This is a living heritage. You'll find it in the streets, in family gatherings, in the very fabric of everyday life. It's a reminder that Pakistan's story isn't just written in history books. It's playing out right now, vibrant and alive. Okay, folks, time to talk about the good stuff, the food. And trust me, Pakistani cuisine is something else. It's a symphony of flavors, a celebration of spices that'll tantalize your taste buds and leave you wanting more. We're talking aromatic biryanis, piled high with fragrant rice and tender meat. We're talking rich and creamy nihari, a slow-cooked stew that's perfect for those cold winter nights. And let's not forget the street food, people. From crispy samosas to spicy chaat, your taste buds won't know what hit them. But it's not just about the individual dishes. It's about the whole experience. It's about sharing a meal with family and friends. The laughter, the conversation, the sense of community that comes with breaking bread together. So, whether you're a seasoned foodie or just looking for an adventure for your taste buds, Pakistani cuisine is a must-try. Just be prepared to loosen your belt a notch or two. Now, let's talk about the beauty of Pakistan. And I'm not just talking about the food, folks. From towering mountains to lush green valleys, Pakistan's natural beauty is a sight to behold. Up north, you've got the Himalayas, those majestic peaks piercing the sky. Think Hunza Valley, a land of snow-capped mountains, crystal clear lakes, and apricot orchards that'll make you think you've stumbled into a fairy tale. Then there's Swat Valley, once known as the Switzerland of the East, and for good reason. Rolling green hills, sparkling rivers, and a sense of peace that'll wash over you like a warm wave. But it's not just the north, folks. Down south, you've got the breathtaking beaches of Karachi, the rugged coastline of Balochistan. Pakistan's got it all, from deserts to glaciers and everything in between. It's a reminder that sometimes the most breathtaking sights are the ones created by Mother Nature herself. Alright, fashionistas, this one's for you. Let's talk about traditional Pakistani clothing, because this is where comfort meets style in the most fabulous way possible. We're talking about the iconic shalwar kameez, the national dress of Pakistan. It's flowy, it's comfortable, and it comes in a kaleidoscope of colors and designs. Trust me, you'll be turning heads wherever you go. And let's not forget the intricate embroidery work, folks. From delicate chikankari to vibrant fulkari, these are pieces of art you wear. Each stitch tells a story, passed down through generations of skilled artisans. And the best part? Pakistani fashion is all about embracing your individuality. Whether you prefer bold colors and patterns or subtle elegance, there's something for everyone. So, ditch those skinny jeans and embrace the comfort and style of traditional Pakistani clothing. You'll thank me later. Now, if there's one thing Pakistanis know how to do, it's celebrate. And with a calendar full of festivals, there's always a reason to party. Take Basant, the festival of kites. Imagine the sky filled with thousands of colorful kites, the air alive with music and laughter. It's a sight that'll take your breath away. Then there's Eid, the festival of lights, a time for family, feasting, and of course, fireworks. It's a time for new clothes, delicious food, and sharing the joy with loved ones. But it's not just the big ones, folks. Every region, every religion has its own unique celebrations. It's a testament to the diversity and the spirit of unity that defines Pakistan. So, if you're ever lucky enough to be in Pakistan during a festival, get ready to immerse yourself in the color, the music, and the infectious energy. Trust me, you won't forget it. Hold on to your hats, history buffs, because Pakistan is a treasure trove of architectural marvels. From ancient ruins to Mughal masterpieces, this is a country with stories etched in stone. Let's travel back in time to Mohenjo-Daro, an ancient Indus Valley civilization site that's older than the pyramids. It's a glimpse into a civilization that thrived thousands of years ago, leaving behind mysteries that still baffle archaeologists today. Then, there's the Badshahi Mosque in Lahore, a Mughal masterpiece that'll leave you speechless. Picture this, towering minarets, intricate calligraphy, a courtyard so vast it can accommodate thousands of worshippers. It's a testament to the grandeur of a bygone era. But it's not just about the big names, folks. All across Pakistan, you'll find forts, tombs, and palaces, each with its own story to tell. It's like stepping back in time, a reminder of the rich history that has shaped this nation. So, whether you're a history buff or just appreciate a good building, Pakistan's architectural wonders are a must-see. Now, let's talk about something that truly sets Pakistan apart, the hospitality. In Pakistan, guests aren't just visitors, they're practically family. From the moment you arrive, you'll be greeted with warmth and generosity that'll make you feel right at home. Strangers will go out of their way to help you, offering directions, recommendations, and even a cup of chai. And the food. Oh, the food! Be prepared to be treated to feast after feast, with your hosts insisting you try everything. It's not just about the food, though. It's about sharing and making you feel welcome. This is a culture where hospitality is more than just good manners. It's a way of life. It's about opening your heart and your home to others, making them feel like they belong. So if you're ever feeling lost or alone in Pakistan, don't worry. Just find a local and you'll be welcomed with open arms. Let's talk about the beautiful symphony of languages you'll hear in Pakistan, because this is a country with a diverse linguistic landscape. Urdu, the national language, is a beautiful blend of Persian, Arabic, and Hindi, with a poetic flow that'll captivate your ears. But it's just tip of the iceberg, folks. From Punjabi to Sindhi, Pashto to Balochi, each province has its own unique language, its own rhythm and cadence. It's a reminder that Pakistan is a tapestry woven from different cultures, each contributing to its vibrancy. And the best part, even if you don't understand a word, the warmth in their voices, the gestures, the smiles will speak volumes. It's a reminder that communication goes beyond words. It's about connecting with people on a human level. So, get ready to immerse yourself in the melody of languages, a testament to the diversity and the spirit of Pakistan. All right, sports fans, let's talk about Pakistan's national obsession, cricket. It's not just a game here, it's a religion, a way of life. Streets transform into makeshift pitches, every match is a nail-biter, and the roar of the crowd when Pakistan hits a six, deafening. It's a shared passion that unites people from all walks of life. But it's not just about cricket, folks. Kabaddi, a traditional sport that's all about strength, strategy, and teamwork, is another crowd favorite. It's a fast-paced, adrenaline-pumping spectacle that'll have you on the edge of your seat. Whether it's the excitement of a cricket match or the intensity of a kabaddi game, Pakistanis sure know how to bring the energy when it comes to sports. It's a testament to their passion, their competitive spirit, and their love for the game. So, grab your jerseys, folks, and get ready to cheer on Pakistan. Get ready to shop till you drop, because Pakistan's street markets and bazaars are a sensory overload in the best way possible. Imagine bustling lanes filled with colorful stalls, The air thick with the aroma of spices, the sound of vendors hawking their wares. It's a feast for the senses. From intricate handicrafts to traditional textiles, spices to street food, you'll find everything under the sun in these vibrant marketplaces. It's a treasure trove of unique finds, a chance to experience the true heart of Pakistani culture. Haggle for a bargain, sip on some chai, and soak up the atmosphere. Trust me, it's an experience you won't find anywhere else. So, bring your shopping bags and your bargaining skills and get ready to experience the magic of Pakistan's street markets.
Breaking news.
So, there you have it, folks. 10 things that make Pakistan a country like no other. From its rich culture and stunning landscapes to its delicious food and warm hospitality, Pakistan truly has something for everyone. It's a country that will surprise you, challenge you, and ultimately leave you wanting more. It's a reminder that there's so much beauty to be found in the world, even in the most unexpected of places. So, next time you're looking for an adventure, consider Pakistan. Trust me, it's an experience you won't soon forget. Thanks for watching and see you next time for another adventure.